So this screen shows the name of my class here, Mrs. Gifford's class. And it also shows my student list or class roster. The way that we would invite or set up accounts for more students or for their parents, so you would simply click on Add Student. Then we would add the student. And then for them to log on, they would have this username here. And you can change that to anything that you'd like. So I'm going to add that. And then if they're under 13 years old, they have to have parent permission. So the parent has to log in for them at home if they want to use it at home. And so we can set this up by entering the parent's email address here so that the students can work on their projects at home. And that is about it. And there you have it, my class on StoryJumper.